The twister left other homeowners surveying the damage and cleaning up a lot of mess today. News Channel 5's Jesse Knutson spoke to one homeowner who was watching the radar online and got his family to a safe place when he saw the tornado coming his way.
I stayed pretty much on this side of this side of the house.
Looking at the damage today, John Erdman knows he and his family are lucky.
We didn't have much time, a couple minutes maybe at the most.
After a tornado flew over their home just after midnight last night.
Night's the scariest because you can't see it.
It tore off the top of their home, throwing debris everywhere, and even picked up their cars.
One got just turned sideways, one got rolled, and the third one got picked up actually and thrown into the field.
Luckily, John and his family are safe thanks to John being weather ready.
Watching the internet radar.
He was watching radar online when he was working.
And saw that there was rotation coming in the area and decided I need to get family up and seek shelter.
They made their way to the downstairs bathroom and waited.
We're sitting in there, sitting on the floor, and then all of a sudden it's like a big roar. And all of a sudden I hear metal being ripped off the house, and I knew it was there.
If anyone was on the third floor, there's no telling what could have happened to them.
And thank goodness for the new radar. Had we not had that, we wouldn't have known to seek shelter.
But today they're just thankful that they have each other, even if their belongings are thrown throughout their field. Even their dog made it through safely.
You know, he came up and let me know he's okay.
They just hope they never have to deal with a tornado like this ever again.
Well, I'm not worried about the house either. I'm worried about my wife and son. You know, the house can be replaced. We care more about each other than the stuff that we own.
In Rutherford County, Jesse Knutson, News Channel 5.